Hi, I'm Kevin Nicholson. I'm the president of Mate Precision Technologies. When you work at Mate Precision Technologies, you can expect a very competitive wage, excellent benefit package, a clean and comfortable work environment, and really friendly employees.
I started at the very bottom, just a very entry-level position, and I worked myself through the ranks. I went to school and took advantage of their tuition reimbursement program that they provide. Got into the machining path on the shop floor and acquired all the knowledge needed to continue advancing, and am currently up to the supervisor level.
I like it that it was a family-oriented company. Everybody is very friendly and very nice, and we treat everybody with respect. And I like the support that I get from the company and my coworkers.
The people here are so friendly, so you get to build strong relationships, and then every day there's a new challenge.
I would say it's a very good company with a big future. Good company to work for. You've been appreciated what you're doing. You're not taken for granted.
If you're looking for personal growth, more of a career than a job, there's definitely opportunities for that here. What you're starting as doesn't necessarily mean that's what you have to do the whole time. You're going to have opportunities to expand on that.
Mate has a lot of nice equipment, and I notice that we are upgrading a lot right now, buying new machines to keep up.
Mate's wellness program is offered to all the employees, and it has a variety of opportunities to grow financially, mentally, health-wise, not just for your retirement, but your life right now.
I really like it here. I like the fact that it's family owned and they actually really go out and above and beyond for their employees, and I feel like they break their back to make sure we're comfortable and that we are happy here at work.
It's a clean environment, very open to employee input. Everyone is very friendly, and it's just a very easy place to work at. And if I didn't like it, I wouldn't be here.
Step in the door, check us out, take a tour even if you want to. But as far as when I started, I really thought this was going to be just to get experience. 34 years later, I'm staying. My experience is here.